cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts have a powerful detoxifying and protective effect on the liver due to their high content of glucosinolates sulfur-containing compounds that, during digestion, are converted into active metabolites, such as sulforaphane. These substances stimulate the production of key phase II detoxification enzymes in the liver, significantly enhancing the organ's ability to neutralize and eliminate carcinogens, toxins, and metabolic byproducts. At the same time, sulforaphane exhibits strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity, protecting hepatocytes from oxidative stress and helping prevent the development of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and fibrosis. Regular consumption of these vegetables, especially lightly boiled or steamed, activates the body's natural cleansing mechanisms and supports liver cell regeneration. Coffee. Years of epidemiological and clinical research have convincingly shown that regular consumption of black coffee, ideally 1 to 2 cups of filtered brew per day, acts as a powerful hepatoprotector due to the synergy of several bioactive compounds working at the molecular level. Key mechanisms include liver enzyme modulation. Caffeine, as an adenosine receptor antagonist, inhibits the proliferation of hepatic stellate cells, the main producers of fibrous tissue, thereby slowing fibrosis progression. It provides powerful antioxidant protection. Polyphenols neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, which is a key factor in hepatite damage. It also has an anti-inflammatory effect. Cafestol and cahuil influence signaling pathways, suppressing the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Coffee also affects metabolism. Its components improve insulin sensitivity, normalize lipid metabolism in the liver, and promote autophagy, the cellular cleanup process of damaged organelles. Added sugar, syrups, or heavy cream can negate the positive effects. It's also not advisable to drink coffee on an empty stomach. Thus, coffee, while not a panacea, represents an important dietary factor that can be integrated into a strategy for preventing and comprehensively managing chronic liver diseases. Grapefruit has a powerful, complex impact on liver health, primarily thanks to its high content of unique flavonoids, naringin and naringenin, which concentrate in its bitter membranes and peel. These substances act as powerful antioxidants, protecting hepatocytes from damage by free radicals and toxins, and also activate liver enzymes responsible for body detoxification. At the same time, naringenin stimulates the breakdown of fatty acids and prevents the accumulation of excess fat in the liver, which is a key mechanism in the prevention and treatment of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Moreover, the soluble fiber pectin in grapefruit pulp helps bind and eliminate excess cholesterol, easing the metabolic burden on the organ. However, the most important safety condition is exercising caution when taking medications, as grapefruit can block a key enzyme, sharply increasing the concentration of many drugs in the blood and creating a risk of overdose. Garlic is a powerful natural hepatoprotector thanks to its unique combination of sulfur-containing compounds, primarily allicin, which forms when a clove is crushed. These substances activate key liver enzymes responsible for detoxification and toxin elimination, and also stimulate the production of glutathione, the body's master antioxidant, which neutralizes free radicals and protects liver cells from damage. Garlic possesses pronounced anti-inflammatory action, suppressing inflammatory processes in hepatocytes, and helps lower levels of bad cholesterol, reducing the metabolic load on the liver. Regular consumption of garlic aids in preventing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, slows fibrosis development, and supports the overall function of this vital organ. Turmeric, or more precisely, its main active component curcumin, is one of the most powerful natural hepatoprotectors, exerting comprehensive protective, anti-inflammatory, and regenerative effects on the liver. Curcumin suppresses the activity of key pro-inflammatory factors, significantly reducing chronic inflammation in hepatocytes, a primary driver in the progression of many liver diseases, including non-alcoholic steatohepatitis and fibrosis. At the same time, it stimulates bile synthesis and flow, improving fat digestion and preventing its accumulation in the liver. Its powerful antioxidant activity helps neutralize free radicals and protect cells from toxic damage. For maximum absorption, curcumin should be consumed with black pepper. Piperine significantly increases its bioavailability and with healthy fats. Fatty fish, salmon, herring, mackerel, sardines are essential foods for liver health thanks to their high content of long-chain omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid ATA, which de-inflammatory and anti-fibrotic effects. These fatty acids directly influence lipid metabolism in the liver. They reduce triglyceride production, activate fatty acid oxidation processes, and prevent excess fat accumulation in hepatocytes, which forms the basis for preventing and managing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. At the same time, omega-3 SE suppress the activity of pro-inflammatory cytokines and slow fibrosis progression, reducing the risk of developing cirrhosis. To achieve a therapeutic effect, it's recommended to consume 2 to 3 servings of such fish per week, preferably baked or steamed. Nuts, almonds, hazelnuts, pistachios, and walnuts provide powerful support for the liver thanks to their unique combination of nutrients. They are the richest plant source of the amino acid arginine, necessary for neutralizing toxic ammonia in the liver. They contain glutathione and vitamin E, key antioxidants that protect hepatocytes from oxidative damage and inflammation, and also provide omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, which help lower bad cholesterol levels and prevent the development of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Regular but moderate consumption of a handful of nuts, about 30 g per day, helps optimize detoxification function, improves lipid profile, and supports the structural integrity of liver cells. Extra virgin olive oil, especially of high quality, is one of the most valuable products for liver health thanks to its unique composition, dominated by monounsaturated fatty acids and powerful antioxidants, vitamin E, and polyphenols. These components work in synergy. Oleic acid helps reduce insulin resistance and activates fat oxidation processes, preventing their accumulation in hepatitis and serving as a key factor in preventing and combating non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. At the same time, antioxidants protect liver cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, slowing fibrosis processes. Research also shows that regular consumption of olive oil helps improve blood lipid profile, normalizing cholesterol levels and thereby reducing the metabolic burden on the organ. For maximum effect, it's recommended to consume 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil daily in its fresh, unheated form. Leafy greens, spinach, arugula, lettuce leaves, dandelion greens are fundamental foods for liver health thanks to their unique combination of chlorophyll, folates, vitamins, and specific plant compounds, glucosinolates and flavonoids. Chlorophyll acts as a natural detoxifier, helping the liver neutralize and eliminate toxins, heavy metals, and pesticides, while glucosinolates stimulate the production of phase II detoxification enzymes, enhancing the breakdown and disposal of harmful substances. Folates and antioxidants effectively reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in hepatocytes, protecting them from damage and slowing fibrosis development. The bitter compounds in dandelion greens and arugula gently stimulate bile flow, improving fat digestion and preventing its accumulation in the liver. Regular consumption of fresh greens in salads, smoothies, or lightly sautéed form supports the natural cleansing and regeneration processes of liver cells, ensuring their smooth operation. Green tea is a powerful hepatoprotector. Its benefits for the liver are due to its high concentration of catechins. These compounds work on several levels. They significantly reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in hepatocytes, preventing their damage, and also directly inhibit fat accumulation, making green tea an effective aid for preventing and managing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Research shows that regular consumption of green tea is associated with reduced levels of liver enzymes and markers of fibrosis. However, moderation is key. Excessive intake, more than 4 to 5 cups per day, or very strong tea, can create an excessive burden on the liver. Therefore, the optimal dose is considered to be 2 to 3 cups of quality loose-leaf brew per day. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new interesting content. I'd also be very grateful for your feedback and likes. Share the video with friends and loved ones. They might also find this knowledge useful. See you soon.